Hey folks, Mr. Tolly here. I had I guess a mail call today. I placed an order with Leather Stamp Maker, and I think it was just, gosh, it ain't been but a week. Talk about fast. Very accommodating, great people to deal with. I ordered my original stamp, this one, from them. Gosh, I must say, it's been probably 4 years ago. I don't know. I still have it. It still works. Give you an idea. This one's been always been a little finicky because of the text. So the first time I hit it, I just hit it straight on. The second time I got to tilt it back a little bit just to get the lettering to impress real well. But I like my logo. Pretty cool. But I wanted to change some things about it, and this works great on a holster. Then when I dimensioned it, that's what I dimensioned it for, was to go on the sweat shield of a holster. So that's where the size of it came from. For some of the bags and stuff I do, though, since I've started getting into bags and doing other kinds of stuff, I needed something a little bit different. Some of the stuff I just need to get a little classier with it. What I didn't do, this is the handle too that came with it, or that I ordered with it when I bought it. It's just it's a M6 thread, which is a metric 6mm thread, and it fits all the rest of them. So I didn't get a handle this time. I think I might, if I'm going to be making another order, and I think I might get a couple more handles to go with it. But this one is just a little more simple. So we'll pop that one on here. And it's a little more simple, a little classier. I hope you can see it. Just says FatMan Leather, Waseca, Minnesota. Pretty simple. With some of the bags and stuff, I don't want to leave, it's going to go inside the bag, and I don't really want to leave a big gaudy ugly looking thing in there. I had thought about a different kind of a tag that was bigger, and after talking it over with my wife, and she said, nah, kind of not so cool. So I decided not to go that route. But I did one other one that I thought was kind of neat, and my wife really liked it. So I went with her thoughts too, because she knows more about this kind of crap than I do. I don't listen to her nearly as much as I should. We just went with the FML. Just a simple, basic FatMan leather with my silhouette on there, because that's an Alfred Hitchcock thing. I don't have a beard in the silhouette though. So really that's the three that I got. Now when I was perusing their site, I did notice that they had this one. This is pretty cool, and it came with a handle for 15 bucks. I'm going to put this one in the upper corner here. And I didn't have one that had it like this before, so I needed it. Very simple, made in USA. So there's the 4 stamps. These all came from Leather Stamp Maker. My original logo down in the corner over here, right? Yeah. That came from them a long time ago. I got that quite some time ago. So all 4 of those are from Leather Stamp Maker. Now I did get, this is the 80 watt adjustable temperature branding iron. Heating iron, branding iron. I got to get used to the temperature settings on it. If you use it on veg tan, you can actually like burn it in there. It's pretty cool. I haven't had time to play with it a whole lot, but it works pretty good on this. These are from that. It worked pretty good on there. I was pretty surprised. The other ones were trying to use the impact to get them in there with the hammer or the mallet, but that didn't work so good. But the way it came in there with the heat applied was really nice. I should someday. I got to get one of those little heat press jobbies, and probably an arbor press. I probably need to get both, but I'm just not that wealthy yet. But business has been picking up. Like I said before, most of my business is repair work, and I'm trying to get into some more new stuff. So, but there you go. There is some stuff from Leather Stamp Maker. I'm gonna make a little pouch to put all these in so that I can keep them nice and pristine looking. And that's going to be where it is. So I guess that's it for now. Just wanted to do a quick video on that. If you need for any of the stamps that you need, I just contacted them about another one that I need. It is significantly larger. I will have to get an arbor press, I think, to do this one. But it's quite a bit bigger. It's a special one. And I'll show you that one when I get it. But you'll get it. You'll like it. I know I will. So, yeah, there it is. I'll get a picture of these, put it up there too, and you can take a look, and we'll go from there. So, thanks for watching. Here's the picture. Stay safe. God bless. We'll catch you in the next video.